We're over at Walgreens today and we're going to be looking for this specific coupon because these 2 off 4 Hallmark cards are free. Look for them merchandise with the Valentine's Day display or with the regular cards. It's not only the Valentine's Day cards that this is working for, it's also working for any 2 off 4 or a card that's at least $2. So you have until, I believe, the 14th to make this happen. This is kind of like couponing from 4 or 5 years ago when you could get a big stack of free cards. I mean, it's unheard of. We haven't had this in a really long time. And I don't know why nobody brought this to my attention because I just stumbled into this deal on Saturday and I was like, wow. So specifically, we're looking for this coupon found at your Walgreens. Hopefully your store has them. And then we're looking for $2 cards. So you would flip it and see how it says $2 and it says Hallmark Cares. That's the cards that we're looking for that will scan perfectly. Any Valentine's Day card that's exactly $2 will work with this as well. And it's working on a whole host of cards just to show you I got birthday, anniversary, like thinking about the cards that I'm going to need for the next year. And when you can get them for free, like OMG, guys, this is our Super Bowl. So definitely, if you can get out to the store, like I would run on this deal because it is fantastic. Grabbing 2 of the $2 cards, that's 4 on the nose, subtracting that 4 off 2 tear pad coupon found at the store. Hopefully you can find some. You're just paying the tax. That coupon also expires on the 14th, so make it happen, guys. And just to answer one quick question, because the coupon does have some verbiage of like 1 per person per day. If your store is super strict, you can only probably grab 2, but I would go back every single day till Valentine's Day. And just to show you, yes, I did in fact grab, I think that the most you can grab is up to 4 sets, so 8 cards altogether, and 4 coupons will scan at checkout. I know that's not everybody's cup of tea. Do whatever you're most comfortable with. But if you're trying to bulk up a $50 basket, this is smart. If your store will allow you to scan more than 1, and yeah, it's working. Okay, so we're just going to talk about deals that I think that are absolutely fantastic, and then we're going to talk about basket deals. I have a spend 25, get back 7, and then a spend 50, get back 10 at the end. So the first deal we're going to talk about, and I was talking about this in my preview, that I thought these detergents would kick back both a $5 register reward and then another $5 register reward. And yes, it is in fact doing that. So what we're going to do, guys, is grab a Pods, a Downy, and then a Tide liquid. And then this is one of the promotions of spend 15, get back 5. And with the purchase of those 3, you're at like, I believe, $16. So you will accomplish that. And then these are the digital coupons that you need to load for this little deal. That include $1 off for the liquid, $1 off for the pods. It's really nice when we have digital coupons for Tide deals. And then the $1 off for the Downy. So looking at the mathematics for this one, grabbing the mix of these detergent products, that's $16.47. Subtracting the $3 coupons, $3 is coming off. Pay $13.47. Get back 2 register rewards, 1 from P&G and then 1 manufacturer register reward. It shakes it out to $3.47 for the 3 or $1.15 per. If you wish to use Walgreens Cash, you're not doing this without a booster. Yes, you can use it if you're not using a booster in concert with this deal. And then just to show you what the register rewards look like, top is the P&G one and then the $5 off. Okay, the next deal that we have is the Nivea for men, and I was shocked to still find more of this shaving cream in store. So IBOTTA is giving back $1 for each, and that shaving cream is 10% off, and then $5 of Walgreens Cash when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these shaving creams, that's $6.28. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens Cash, $2 from IBOTTA, making it free plus a 72-cent moneymaker. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash as long as you're not doing this in concert with a booster. Go for it. And it's just a really like free shaving cream. Absolutely love that. That IBOTTA rebate has reset for me, I think like 3 times now. So I am loving this deal. Now, this is the paper deal of the week for both the Scott toilet paper and the Scott paper towel. So for this little deal, guys, we're going to grab 1 of each. And then this morning, we got some really nice digital coupons to accompany these 2 items. It is the dollar. It's either for the toilet paper or the paper towel. So we have that. And then we also have the IVC coupon. This is one-time use for your digital coupons folder. So if you didn't use it, you can use it this week, which is $1.25 off of each. So $2.50 off. Grabbing 2 of those Scott products, that's 10. Subtracting that IVC, $1.25 times 2 is $2.50 off. The 2 digital coupons, $2 off. You're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per pack of Scott. Really good deal. And guys, if you're not using a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay this down. We can all use a little bit of Tresemme. 2 for $12 for the Tresemme shampoo, conditioner. We have a very generous digital coupon that popped up that is a 7 off of 3. So that works perfectly with this. So what we're going to do, guys, is grab 3 of the $6 Tresemme hair care products for $18. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $11. Getting back a $5 store register reward, making it $6 for the 3 or $2 per. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. And just to show you guys, here it is, the $5 store coupon for buying my beautiful Tresemme. Okay, now we're going to look at a $25 basket that I did. So I utilized one of these guys for my basket. And then just to show you what I bought, I got 3 of the detergent products. So Tide Pod, Tide Liquid, and the Downy. And then I also got 6 of the $2 Hallmark cards for $12 on the nose. Okay, so 3 of those Tide Downy products is $16.47. It's $5.49 per. 6 of the Hallmark cards for $12 for a total of $28.47. I got the cashier to scan my booster, which is $7 back when you spend $25. I also handed 3 of those $4 coupons, and then I had dollar digitals also on my account for each of those laundry care products. So with my debit card, I paid $13.47. Got back $7 in Walgreens cash for my booster, and then $10 in register rewards for the detergent products. It made this free, plus a $3.53 moneymaker. As I'm using boosters, remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, so here's my monster basket, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $50. So I'm trying to achieve a $50 basket, pairing it with the 9 back when you spend $40. So that's $19 back when you spend $50. So not too shabby. This is my basket, guys. 3 of the Tide detergent products, or Tide and Downy. $10 of the Scott. 4 of the shave creams by Nivea. And then I grabbed 8 of the Hallmark cards. So looking at the overall basket, 3 of the Tide Downy is $16.47, 8 Hallmark is $16, 4 Nivea for men, $12.56, and then 2 of the Scotts for $10 on the nose, for a grand total of $55.03. I got the cashier to scan my 9 back when you spend $40, plus I had my booster loaded. IVC coupon, which is $2.50 off, coming off right there. My total is still above $50, so it's at $52.53, so that's going to work. I presented 4 of the $4 coupons, $16 coming off, along with $5 in digitals that I had on my account for the Downy, Tide, and the Scott. So I paid $31.53 with my debit card, as I have a bunch of boosters. I got back $29 in Walgreens cash, $19 for the boosters, and then $10 for Nivea for men, $10 in register rewards, $4 back from IBOTTA for those shave creams. My haul free, plus a $9.47 moneymaker. As I'm using 2 boosters, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. This is a terrific, terrific haul. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.